Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a clean mix in FL Studio using an easy method. First, let's talk about gain staging. Begin by setting all your mixer faders to 0 decibels. Then, adjust each track's volume so it peaks around -6 decibels. This provides ample headroom. Crucially, always ensure your master fader stays below 0 decibels to prevent any clipping or distortion in your final sound. Next, we'll sculpt your sound using equalization. Employ a parametric equalizer to carefully remove any unwanted low-end rumble from instruments, especially bass and kick drum. Then, identify and cut harsh or muddy frequencies in the mid-range to create more clarity and separation between your sounds. Finally, consider boosting subtle high frequencies to add a pleasant sparkle without making your mix sound too bright or brittle. Now, let's tame your dynamics with compression. Apply gentle compression to control sudden peaks and even out the overall levels of your instruments and vocals. A good starting point for many tracks is a ratio of 2:1 or 3:1. Remember to set the attack and release times carefully, ensuring they complement the natural rhythm and character of each individual sound for a smooth, controlled feel. Finally, it's time for polishing and crucial final checks. Introduce subtle reverb or delay to create a sense of depth and space, but use it sparingly to avoid a muddy sound. Always reference your mix against several professional tracks in a similar genre to identify areas for improvement. Lastly, listen on various playback systems, like headphones, car speakers, and studio monitors, to ensure your mix translates well everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.